Dear students, welcome to the tutorial on circular functions. The trigonometric functions, also called circular functions, are real functions which relate an angle of a right-angled triangle to the ratio of two side lengths. Periodic functions. A function f is said to be periodic function if there exists a positive real number capital T such that f of x plus capital T is equal to f of x for all x in the domain of f. The smallest such positive T, if it exists, is called the fundamental period of the function f. This means the function repeats itself after every interval of length capital T. The sine and cosine functions are periodic with period 2 pi, and the tangent, cotangent functions are periodic with period pi. Now I will explain clearly about circular functions by showing its graphs. The graph of sine function is shown below. This is the graph of sine function. If we observe this graph, the period of sine function is 2 pi. Every 2 pi interval, the shape of the graph is repeated. Therefore, sin x is a periodic function with period 2 pi. The graph of sin x exists for all values of x. Therefore, the domain of the sine function is real numbers. If you observe the graph, the y values lies between -1 plus 1. -1 is the minimum value, plus 1 is the maximum value. Therefore, the range of sine function is closed interval -1 to +1. If you observe this graph, in the interval 0 to pi by 2, the y value changes from 0 to 1. If x changes from pi by 2 to pi, y changes from 1 to 0. In the interval pi to 3 pi by 2, y value changes from 0 to -1. In the interval 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi, the y value changes from -1 to 0. So, every period 2 pi, the graph of sine function is repeated. 2 pi, 4 pi, 6 pi. If you take left hand side, -2 pi, -4 pi, -6 pi. In general, we can write sine of x plus 2k pi is equal to sine x for all k belongs to z. Z is what? Set of integers. K is equal to -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. The graph of sin x passes through the origin. The graph of cosine function is shown below. This is the graph of cosine function For cosine function also period 2 pi, because every period 2 pi the graph of cosine function is repeating itself. Therefore, cosine function is a periodic with period 2 pi. The graph of cosine function exists for all values of x. Therefore, the domain of cosine function is real numbers, capital R. If you observe the graph, the function values, that is y, lies between -1 to +1. Therefore, the range of cosine function is -1 to +1, closed interval. If x increases from 0 to pi by 2, the value of y, that is cosine function, decreases from 1 to 0. In the interval pi by 2 to pi, the y value decreases from 0 to -1. In the interval pi to 2 pi, the y value changes from -1 to +1. So every 2 pi, the cosine function is repeating itself. So in general we can write cosine of x plus 2k pi is equal to cosine x for all k belongs to z. Z is set of integers. If k equal to 1, cosine of x plus 2 multiply 1 to 2 pi, that is what? Cosine x. If k is equal to 2, cosine of x plus 2 multiply to 4 pi, again cosine x for all k belongs to z. If k equal to -1, cosine of x plus 2 multiply -1 pi, that is cosine of x minus 2 pi in this interval 0 to -2 pi, again becomes cosine x. This is the general formula. The graph of tangent function is as shown below. This is the graph of tangent function. If you observe, the graph of tangent function is repeated every period pi. Observe minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. That means period pi. Here also pi. Here minus pi. So the tangent function is a periodic function with period pi. At x equal to pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, minus pi by 2, minus 3 pi by 2, tangent function not defined. From this graph, it is evident that the curve nearly touches the vertical lines at x equal to pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, minus pi by 2, minus 3 pi by 2, and so on. Therefore, the domain of the tangent function, we remove the points x equal to pi by 2, x equal to 3 pi by 2, minus pi by 2, minus 3 pi by 2, and so on from the real numbers. That is the domain of tangent function. In general, we can write r minus 2n plus 1 multiply pi by 2, n belongs to z, set of integers. N equal to 0, 2 multiply 0, 0, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 multiply pi by 2, pi by 2. So we have to remove this pi by 2 from the real numbers. That is the domain. If n equal to 1, 2 multiply 1, 2 plus 1, 3 pi by 2, n equal to 2, and so on. If you observe the graph, the value of y minus infinite to plus infinite. Therefore, the range of tangent function is set of real numbers. Now I will explain some examples on circular functions. Example 1. If sin x is equal to minus 0.1832, what is the value of each of the following? Sin of x plus 2 pi, sin of x minus 2 pi, sin of x minus 18 pi, 3 plus 4 multiply sin of x plus 100 pi. We know that sine function is a periodic function with period 2 pi. That is, the function repeats itself after every interval of period 2 pi. In general, we can write sin of x plus 2k pi is equal to sin x for all integers k. Sin of x plus 2 pi. So period 2 pi, every period 2 pi, sin x repeat itself, sin x, that is equal to minus 0.1832. Sin of x minus 2 pi, that is also equal to sin x. That value is minus 0.1832. Sin of x minus 18 pi, we can write sin of x minus 2 multiply 9 pi. So here 9 is an integer. By using general formula, it becomes what? Sin x only. That is equal to minus 0.1832. 3 plus 4 multiply sin of x plus 100 pi. We can write 3 plus 4 multiply sin of x plus 2 multiply 50 pi, where 50 is an integer. By general formula, it is also becomes sin x only. 3 plus 4 multiply sin x, that equal to 3 plus 4 multiply sin x value minus 0.1832. After simplification, we will get the value 2.267. Example 2. If cosine x is equal to 0.7015, what is the value of each of the following? Cosine of x plus 2 pi, cosine of x minus 2 pi, cosine of x plus 20 pi, 4 minus 3 multiply cosine of x minus 50 pi. We know that cosine function is also periodic function with period 2 pi. That is, the function repeats itself after every interval of period 2 pi. We can write cosine of x plus 2k pi is equal to cosine x for all integers k. Cosine of x plus 2 pi becomes cosine x. That value is 0.7015. Cosine of x minus 2 pi is equal to cosine x. This is equal to 0.7015. Cosine of x plus 20 pi. We can write cosine of x plus 2 multiply 10 pi, where 10 is an integer. It is also becomes cosine x. That value 0.7015. 4 minus 3 multiply cosine of x minus 50 pi. This is equal to 4 minus 3 multiply cosine of x minus 2 multiply 25 pi. So 25 is an integer. So this is also becomes cosine x. 4 minus 3 multiply cosine x. 4 minus 3 multiply given cosine x value 0.7015. After simplification, we will get 1.8955. This brings us to the end of this tutorial. In this tutorial, we have learned to circular functions.